everyone, this is Ryan from AeroX. I just pulled into Orangeville, Ontario. We're going to do a quick video today at Lauer Machine and Manufacturing. They've agreed to let us come in and do a quick little shop video and an interview and maybe some testimonials. They've been running our oil mist collectors for the last year, non-stop, every single day of the year, with zero issues. I figured it'd be a great place to do a quick video. So let's go. Okay, so we got Aaron Polatsky here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his machine shop out in Orangeville, Ontario.
Yeah, the business is approximately 50 years.
And you do a lot of work with Husky as well?
Husky's a big customer of ours, yeah.
Awesome.
We're Husky's oldest active supplier.
Oh, that's so great. How long ago did you get your mist collectors?
We've had them approximately a year.
Okay. And what made you want to get them?
We started getting into high pressure coolant, and the mist just started to take over. So guys were wearing gas masks in here, so I was like, oh, we gotta fix this.
Nice. And have you noticed a huge difference since getting them?
Oh, you walk out, the air is clean, and we find that the mist collectors, even with the machines off and the mist collectors on, it draws any air in the shop through the filters. It's incredible. Any machine shop with high pressure coolant or a smoky environment, these are definitely the way to go. Your guys will definitely be happier. You want to keep your employees happy, you need these things.
With your mist collectors, have you noticed any problems at all, or had to service them or anything like that?
They run trouble-free.
And you run 24/7 here?
24/5.
So the mist collectors are on the entire time?
Yeah. Price point is really good compared to anybody else's. My guys installed them themselves. They're that simple to hook up. I didn't even have to bring anybody in to do it. You don't need to hire anybody to put them in. Your guys can install them themselves.
Mist collector on a tube that was actually made from the machine we invented with, and since then this machine pumps out a lot of smoke and it doesn't bother us nearly as much.
Nice. Notice a big difference?
Yeah, there's a big difference. Auto parts makes a big difference.
Hi, my name is Luciano. About the collector, it's great, pure air. We don't see the mist that we usually see there. We used to see before. And yeah, we can breathe clean air.